Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Bad Bunny Forum lows. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And guys, I know so many sneakers have come out this year, but for me personally, I would put this in like the top 10 sneakers release of this year. We were able to get a pair of the Bad Bunny Forums from ADIDAS, and then obviously it's a collaboration with the Puerto Rican superstar Bad Bunny. We were able to get a pair of his Bad Bunny Forums in the Cloud White Clear Onyx colorway in the UK size 6, so European 39 and a third, and it's a US 6.5. So unfortunately, just a little heads up, little warning, this isn't for me. This is for co-founder of Oneupreviewz, Chris. So you're going to see him do the on feet. I typically wear a UK size 8 when it comes to Adidas, and well, for sizing information, we'll leave it to Chris. But yeah, going into this, I mean, let's look at the details of the box if we go into this. So you've got, you know, Bad Bunny's logo there with the eye. You've got the Adidas free stripe, Bad Bunny on the sides, as it says there, and it's a bull box, so we'll get pulling here. And what I really like is, as soon as you pull it, it says "Yo vista así," which is traditionally, it means like this is how I dress, or this is how I want to be seen in Spanish. And yeah, I mean, when it comes to fashion and like dress sense, Bad Bunny, he just like, it's a statement. Always what he wears is dope. He's got dope outfits. The guy can wrestle as well. I've seen it when he had a little stint on WWE. I believe he wore some Forums actually. I think he wore his first pair. But yeah, so speaking of which, here it is. It comes in this dope dust bag. We've got the Adidas logo and the Bad Bunny logo, and it comes with additional tongues to put on and 2 other laces. So you got this like highlighter green and a grey, but that's not what you guys want to see. You want to see what's in the dust bag. So here they are, the Forums. Right there. So this is said to be the last collaboration, well, maybe the last forum. You never know if it's the last collaboration between Adidas and Bad Bunny, but apparently this is the last colorway that we're ever going to see from Bad Bunny, which is such a shame because they come out with some classics. You had, well, for me, I think the brown, I don't really remember the specific colorway, but there was some brown Forums that looked so dope. There was like the clear blue ones as well. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get a pair. We were thankful enough to get a pair in the last this, you know, obviously I think this is a more rabbit colorway than the other the ones prior, but it's such a shame because this sneaker looks so dope. If you look at it, it looks like a DC sneaker, you know, the big tongue, the skate ones. I mean, initially the Forums were a basketball sneaker, for those that don't know, and you know, many skaters adopt basketball sneakers, and this to me looks more like a skating sneaker, if anything. But we're going to go look at all the little details. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you got a clear outsole there, but obviously you can see the grey trefoil Adidas logos that make the traction patterning. And if you look closely at the translucent part here, at the fourth, you can see the Bad Bunny logo. Looking at the midsole unit, so that midsole, you've got parts of a foam right there, but then you've got the clear, well, I was going to call it onyx, but it's not really clear onyx. You can see the rubber translucent midsole unit there, and it's like a rubber with the Adidas logo right there at the heel. The upper is made out of suede and leathers, so you can look at the cuts on the outlays. You've got the suede cuts there, toe box perforated. Kind of reminds me of another basketball sneaker, famously by Adidas's rivals. I'm not going to say that because, you know, they were initially around the same time. The Forum was made in '84. You got an I was going to say extra large. Well, it is extra large. You've got a really big tongue. Well, you got two. It comes with two tongues there. Thick laces there as well. Bad Bunny eye logo, and just underneath it you got the Adidas logo there. You can see the strap to keep it all together, and it's in this like, I was going to say eggshell white there as well. You've got a lot of layers as well. So if you look at the ankle support, you've got a sock liner, and then you can see the main body of the back of the sneaker right there. It's very nicely padded. Again, I think these are intended for skateboarding, so you've got, you know, extra cushioning for your ankles. You've got the Adidas free stripes if you look at the medial and the lateral side, again in this beautiful suede cuts. The strap itself is made out of suede, and it's, you know, extends to the body of the sneaker. So you can see it on the medial side here and the lateral side. And we look at the heel, you got a pull tab right there with the little toggle to adjust the tightening. Insole, black insole with the Adidas logo and the Bad Bunny logo. And that rounds off my review of such a dope sneaker. Again, I'd confidently put this on my top 10 sneakers of the year of 2022. It's just beautiful. I mean, it looks like a classic Adidas sneaker as it is, with all the little details. I mean, you got the buckle that you can see here, double tongue. This screams to me like it should be up there as sneaker of the year. It's very, very different to what you see, and it's not Nike. It's something from Adidas and from one of their artists. Obviously, they used to have another artist who will not be named at this moment of time. But the fact that Adidas have made another sneaker with another global superstar is dope. And yeah, this is a highly sought after sneaker. Unfortunately, it's not mine. So, as I mentioned before, we're going to show you the on-feet review with the co-founder Chris. So he's got lots to say to you, and I'm not going to keep him waiting. So I roll that footage of Chris trying his Bad Bunnies on.
Alright guys, these are the Adidas Bad Bunny Forums. They pretty much fit true to size, which is surprising for Adidas. Usually I have to go half a size up, but these actually fit quite snug. They're very cushiony, especially on the tongue area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Oneupreviewz. Until next time, peace.